This is the Voltrover, the cheapest electric dirt bike. I say dirt bike because it's actually a real dirt bike that you can buy on Amazon right now. Soon to be in a few dealers. The Voltrover is going to see how cheap it really is. I think it's going to be pretty good quality. Check it out. From my racing days. Looks well packaged. I heard if you have a electric dirt bike, the seat can either be terrible or good, and this one feels pretty good. Just a little grease on this axle. I think it's the right thing to do, but I imagine if you don't have it, it won't be the end of the world. A lot to line up, but it slid right in, and then it's got two spacers, a short one and a wide one. Looks like the wide one goes here. So I'm holding it kind of together. Slid in. Okay, and here on the other side, we're just sliding this out. Went right in. Little temporary hold in case I need to move some cables around or flip them around, but this looks pretty good. And here's your serial number and keys, which is pretty legit. I'm just trying to get all this out of the way or kind of held up temporarily. Alright, I mounted this up incorrect. I want to get this cable on the outside so the wheel doesn't soak it up or suck it up. See, the right way to do this on the outside, just slip it right back on the disc. So that was pretty efficient. The chain feels already greased up, which is nice. It would probably be okay without it, but I'm going to put some grease on the linkage bolt here. Why not if you got it? So got some just Race Tech grease, and while I'm at it, I'm going to throw some Loctite on this as well. Okay. You got your battery disconnect right here. That is sent with it off. And this is also probably purposely given to you with the shroud off, just so you could learn how to take the seat off. It took me a second to figure out where that was. And we're going to put the shroud on. Here it is, the battery disconnect that you can see here. I'm going to go red to red, black to black, of course. There it is. That's to keep it down. Alright. Alright, just got it off the stand, and we're going to see what happens when you flip it on for the first time. completely noob here. It's like it's recognizing when I have the brake on. Mode 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to take it out for a spin. Alright, so I just got done boosting around on the Voltrover. My honest opinion is it's pretty fast. I really think it's peppy on the bottom end, and mid-range power you expect it to keep climbing, but I think it dies off, which will make it a safe bike for kids. And I have got it up to about 30 miles an hour, so it's pretty fast on the top end. It goes over 30, I think, on a downhill. But I'm 200 pounds, so it pulled my butt around, and it was pretty sweet. So the Voltrover, it's an A+. Came out of the box pretty stout. For 200 pounds, I didn't bottom out the rear shock. The front shock, a little soft, but I think I might be able to do something there. I know it can be upgraded and could put a stiffer spring and stuff inside of there, so if I want to go that far, I might, but honestly, it's good out of the box. 100 pounds. And that might be a little bit less than 100 pounds, but I like it.